Welcome to Limited Slip Racing. Today we're going to install the air compressor relocation bracket. We'll try to get the power steering bracket installed as well. Getting a little hot out here in the garage, so we'll get this stuff done. Alrighty, this should be fairly quick. There's only a couple of pieces to this thing. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the old studs from the air compressor. And it's actually going to go right in the same place. The new one will go right in the same place. I think it may be just a little smaller unit. And even if it's not, I know that the one in the car works right now. So that's what we're going to install. First piece of the bracket comes down right here. And there's the bottom part of the bracket. Pretty easy. We'll tighten that up with an Allen wrench. I would tell you what size it is, but it's not marked on my Allen wrench. I just know that it fits the screws for the bolts. And the second one we're going to do is way up here. And it'll sit in here just like this, with this with the 90-degree edge to the back. Yeah, boy, I don't like this. I don't like these manual tools here. Give me something with electricity or air or... Okay, and we'll get this all tightened up. And when we pull the motor, we're going to leave the air conditioner on there. And we may not even have to evacuate the air conditioner or the system. Anyway, that's that relocation bracket. Power by the Hour, by the way, is the one that supplies this. Appreciate all their help. They were pretty helpful when in sourcing all these parts. They helped me find exactly what I needed. And anyway, that's the AC bracket.